Hello guys, let's see what's inside a smart bulb, smart light. As you can see, it is SYSKA LED 12 watt smart light. So let's open it and see what's inside this smart light. Okay, I will open it from here. These are the LEDs. As you can see, there are multiple type of LEDs. So these are three type of LEDs. You can see this one, and this one. We have three type of LEDs. So it is a multicolor light, so you can choose any color from the app. So inside you can see that there is a microcontroller. Let's open it and see what's inside this chip. Okay, there are two screws. I will open it. Okay, so I will try to open it. Okay, so there are two PCBs. One is this LED and another one is inside this. So both are connected with this connector. You can see here there are connectors which connects the main microcontroller to the LEDs, these LEDs. So we will open this one as well. Okay, so it has covering. So inside this you can see that this is the main microcontroller and these are the power circuit for this one. On the back side we can see some ICs. Okay, I will open it as well. Okay, so you can see the wires got disconnected from the main PCB, the main wires. These are connected to the bulb holder. It got removed from the PCB. Okay, now we will open this PCB. So the main power lines, two pins of that holder, these are connected here, this one and this point. And this is the power circuit. You can see the transformer as well and the capacitors, and this section this is a microcontroller. This one, I think it is ESP or similar one. It has the same pin out, similar to that only. ESP 8266 or 8086 means something like that only. Okay, so here's the circuit on the back side. This thing is controlled to connects to the internet and also to the mobile app. This is the antenna of this 828 ESP 8286. Okay, that's all for this video. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video.